to the bees. O is for octopus, under the sea. P is for panda, munching on a tree. Come along, let's have some fun. Alphabet adventures one by one. From A to Z we'll sing and play, learning letters every day. Q is for queen, with a crown so bright. R is for rocket, zooming out of sight. S is for star, twinkling at night. T is for train, chugging with might. Come along, let's have some fun. Alphabet adventures one by one. From A to Z we'll sing and play, learning letters every day. U is for umbrella, in the rain. V is for van, driving down the lane. W is for whale, swimming so free. X is for xylophone, play a melody. Y is for yak, with a shaggy coat. Z is for zebra, with stripes like a bow. Now we know our ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me? Come along, let's have some fun. Alphabet adventures one by one. From A to Z we'll sing and play, learning letters every day. Alphabet adventures, now we know. Letters help us learn and grow. From A to Z, what a ride. Come back soon, we'll learn.